Okay, yeah, I'm finna go inside of Bath and Body Works. I forgot my camera because I was kind of on the fence about recording today, but I decided to just go ahead and record. Today, Bath and Body Works got a sale on body butter, $6.95. Thank you. A sale on body butter, $6.95. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm only gonna grab like 3. So yeah, leave in the comments what's on your wish list for the body butters, or are you gonna pass? Y'all know I'm going after that Cocoa Shea. Y'all know I've been waiting on the sale. So I'm gonna buy Cocoa Shea, and of course, Chasing Fireflies. I'm gonna grab that one as well, and that's gonna be it. So leave in the comments, what are you buying? So let's head in here, let's grab our stuff. Then I'll show y'all what I got, even though you already know what I got. So yeah, sorry if it's shaking because I forgot, like I said, I forgot my camera, I forgot all of my stuff. So I'm recording with my phone. So let's head into the store and see what we could find. Now, my area don't have a lot of Bath and Body Works. I believe we have maybe like 7 or 10 Bath and Body Works, and 10 is really pushing it. So I decided to go to one of the smaller stores. This is one of my favorite stores. The sales associates are so nice and very helpful. So I love shopping at this store. And as y'all see, I'm showing y'all all of the moisturizing body washes that this store had. And I know that probably in the bigger stores, they might have other ones, but I was okay with it because, you know, I was only really coming for the body butters. Y'all already know I love Bath and Body Works body butters, so I was here for this sale. Even though we wanted a $5.95 or a $4.95, but I feel like $6.95 is not too bad considering these are $20 now. So I grabbed a few. I wanted to show y'all some of the scrubs that this store had. They didn't have a whole lot, but the ones they did have were really good. But I decided to kind of pass. I bought one, but I passed on the other ones. I usually wait till semi-annual sale comes around before I buy things like this. And I usually try to wait until they go 75% off. Leave down in the comments, did you grab anything from this sale? What did you grab? I grabbed the Cocoa Shea items because y'all know I really wanted that stuff. So that's the reason why I said this was just an okay sale just to grab one. This isn't a stock up sale. This is just an okay sale just to grab one of the items so you could wait for a better sale. So don't be upset if you missed out. There's always another sale at a better price. Y'all see I got the bag. Hopefully it's coming through good because the sun is bright. Now, I used the reward. And I wasn't even going to get this until I recorded that video, my last video, that wish list. I decided to just go ahead and grab this cosmetic bag, y'all. Oh my goodness. I think this is so cute. It's gold. It's just a big opening, you know, just a toiletry bag. Nothing special, nothing unique. It's just a toiletry bag. And I started to grab 2 of these, but then I just went on and just got one. Really love this gold tone. Has the big opening at the top, as you see, and it's just, you know, you just put stuff in there. The inside, regular price is $14.95. Yes, these might be around for semi-annual. I don't know, but I love it, and because I got it free, why not? Why not, y'all? So nice. So got that free with rewards, and then y'all know the other stuff is just body butters. Chasing Fireflies, and then I don't know if y'all know, y'all probably know by now, the Glotions is not included with this sale. So I decided to get Chasing Fireflies because I love the scent. Y'all already know. I've been talking about this ever since it dropped. Ever since it was released, and I smelled it, and I know that it smelled very similar to Fairy Tale. So I decided to just go ahead and grab only one because I'm going to wait, because it's supposed to be another sale coming in a couple of weeks, a total body care sale. So I might grab more on that sale. But yeah, I got this. Love it, love it, love it. So nice. And because y'all know I've been going crazy for this collection, super excited that this collection is back. Yes, I got it, y'all. The Cocoa Shea. Only bought one. I most definitely will purchase more. Most definitely gonna get more, but as of now, I only got one. Another item that I really wanted, the water, the hydrating body butter. Wanted this. Love the packaging. Love this blue. Had to get it. And if y'all don't know, the regular price of these is $20.95. Might as well say $21. So getting it for $6.95, it's not a bad price. We're so used to getting it for $4.95 or $5.95. We're so used to getting, having those sales. So a $6.95 sale don't really seem good, but it's actually a good deal, y'all. It really is. Because these body butters hardly ever go on sale. So I decided to just go ahead and grab one of each of the items that I really wanted. So that's the reason why I grabbed it. And then one more thing that I wasn't even gonna get, y'all. I was not gonna get this, but I decided to just go ahead and grab it for $6.95. Why not? This, I love this scent. Oh my goodness, this lavender and iris. Oh, so good. Love this scent. I got it in the essential oil mist. I have it in that, and I also have it in the body butter. I should have grabbed another one, and I started to grab another one, but I decided to just get the salt scrub. So yeah, because I don't have this. This scent is so good. I love it. Like I said, I already used up one bottle of the essential oil, the mist. I already used up one bottle. I'm on my second bottle. I think in backup, I have like 2 in backup. But because I love this scent so much, I just decided to just go ahead and grab it in the salt scrub just to see if I like it or not. I'm surprised this collection is still around because this has been around for a little while now. And because of the seasons is starting to change, and this is more of a summer spring scent, I'm surprised it's still on the shelf. And they're actually restocking it. I'm surprised. But most definitely on that total body care sale, I most definitely will be grabbing more of this scent because I really like it. So that's basically everything I got. Leave in the comments. Let me know, what did you grab on this $6.95 sale? Was it a pass for you? What is the number one thing that you were running for? I know a lot of people is running for the Cocoa Shea collection as well as the water collection. But again, if your store is going to sell out, your store usually sell out of things like this that has a big hype around it, I highly recommend you go ahead and grab it on this sale and don't play. I'm just saying, we don't know if they're going to restock. I got a feeling they're going to restock it, but you just never know. I'd rather have one in my collection versus none. So that's the reason why I just decided to just go ahead and grab one. I had 2 at first, but then I changed my mind. So I just ended up spending like $30, y'all. That's what I said I was going to do, spend between $25 and $30, and that's all I spent on all my stuff. So leave in the comments, how much did you spend on your shopping trip, your number one item, or was this a pass for you? Leave that down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Again, leave me some comments. Shout out to all my MVP riders. Thank you for holding me down. Thank you for always supporting me and watching any and everything that I post. I truly appreciate it. Again, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right.